A famous psychiatrist interviewed two brothers. These men both shared the same alcoholic father. They saw their father abuse their mother verbally and physically. They both were the object of his wrath when he went on his regular binge drinking sprees. However, both of these boys came out quite different. One was a drunk, an abuser, and did nothing productive with his life. The other never drank, had a successful marriage and successful career. When the psychiatrist interviewed them separately, he asked the same question: how is it that as an adult you've come out like this? Ironically, both brothers answered the same: how could I not come out like this? Look at who my father was. This account showed the psychiatrist and you who are listening that it's not so much what we go through that determines our outcome. It's how we respond to what we go through that determines our outcome. Thanks for listening and watching. Share this video with someone you care about. Help us inspire 1 million people to get past their give up point and win with these quotes and stories of inspiration. Click the like and subscribe buttons. Also click the bell icon so you are notified of new content. Consider becoming a Patreon. Your donation monthly can help us inspire millions of people around the world. Link is below in the description. Now, here are a few more videos that will definitely inspire you to win.